What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's a rainy day, you guys. I have you safe and sound under my umbrella with me, and we are getting ready to head into Dollar Tree. Let's see what's new this week. Let's see what's worth more than $1. I always love coming in here and finding the best deals. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and head in. So those are mostly Gildan shirts and tanks and little crop shirts. Ooh, the new fall things. I love this. Farm fresh, that's cute. Oh, I really like that one. Family, friends, football. These are kind of cute. I feel like we saw something like this in Hobby Lobby last year. They're metal. Ooh, look at the new ribbons. The glitter tool. Look at these. I like that one. Decorative mesh. They have some thicker ribbons over here. These are cute. These have the burlap.
Oh, Mom, look, school supplies.
I love the green hydrangeas. Who's ready for Halloween? Okay, we'll look at some more fall stuff and then we'll look at some Halloween stuff. Oh, they even have Thanksgiving. You guys, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the little red truck. It's so cute. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. The little red truck again. a barn, some hay, a turkey. I love these. These are so cute. Ooh. That is so pretty. The acorns are back. Oh, these are cute. And they have some Halloween ribbon down here. The sunflower is so cute. Ooh, these are pretty. These are stickers and they're wooden. I really like these. Pumpkin clips. Oh, look at this, you guys. These are so cute. Adhesive diamond wrap. Ooh, the pumpkin picks. The leaves. Ooh, look at this ribbon. I think these are one of my faves. And this. This is so cute. These are really cute too. Color your own ornament. This reminds me of candy corn. You guys, they even put out the Halloween cards. Two for $1, and even more over there. Some more DIY wooden signs. These are back for a third year. Ornaments. Ornaments for the Halloween tree. The bat tips. Some Halloween ribbon. Even more ribbon over here, you guys. Like that one. Cute. Look at these little door hangers. My store just started putting out the Halloween candy too, but there's just not much right now. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me in Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along to see what's new. I was pretty impressed with some of the new fall decor and also with some of the really cute Halloween decor and some of the DIY kits. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.